Hello ladies, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well and enjoying the content so far. For this video, I am doing a roller set. Obviously, I love roller sets. It gives your hair so much life by creating memory in the hair. Roller sets are great for straight naturals. They're great for people whose hair doesn't really hold curls. Roller sets also add a lot of volume to the hair as well. So if you find that when you get a silk press, especially when you get a silk press and curl, that your hair just goes limp really quick, roller set is a great way to create that memory in the hair and to give the hairstyle more longevity. So me and this client decided on starting to do roller sets on her hair because, for one, she is a straight natural. She wears her hair straight, and then during her first visit with me, she mentioned how she didn't like her hair super silky because it just always just went limp on her. So that sparked the idea in my mind to say, hey, let's try roller sets on you so that we can create that memory in the hair and give you some life and to give you some more longevity with the style itself and having the curls. And when you guys see the final results, I think you guys are gonna love it. Like, it really came out really great. I really want to start pushing more of my clients to get these roller sets done, especially the ones that come and see me about every 3 weeks for a silk press. It's a great alternative to a blowout, and the hair just turns out amazing. It's less manipulation on the hair. You're creating that memory in there. Like I said, great option. Even if you are not a straight natural, like, this is a great way to preserve your curls. So after she was completely dry, I pressed her out at the roots with the pressing comb, and then I used the Marcel irons to smooth and curl her at the same time, pinned up her curls so we can still hold that memory in there. And I just feel like her hair turned out so much better than the first silk press. It had so much more life to it. Reason why I decided on the traditional Marcel irons is because her hair just kind of, like she said, felt flat with using the plug-in Marcel irons on her hair and the flat iron. So wanted to go a different route, and it worked out this time. I love the outcome of her hair. You guys let me know what you think in the comments. I really think that we should get back to doing more roller sets on our hair. It's a healthier option than a constant blow drying on our hair all the time, and the outcome is just absolutely beautiful. So if you're in the Atlanta area and you would like to book an appointment with me, I'm located south of Atlanta in Fayetteville, Georgia. My booking link is located in the description box. I'm currently accepting appointments until December 31st, and new clients are always welcome. Once again, thanks for tuning in, and thanks for watching another one of my videos. Until next time, ladies.